Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. I just wanted to show you guys some templates that I just uploaded to my Patreon page. These are these are the pillow boxes. This is a regular cube box. This is also another one. I've used this one before and done a video on this one. This one is awesome. And I also uploaded this one as well. These are on my Patreon page, which means that you are able to print off and make as many as you like. I'm going to go ahead and cut all of these out and assemble them. That way you can see what they look like, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so this is how the first one came out. I did one bigger than the other, as you can see. I just put some ribbon on the back, and then just a tool bow ribbon little thing. You guys can customize these, put tags on them, images on them. Like I said, you can, because it's a template, you can also make these bigger or smaller depending on what you want to put in it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the second box. This is the second box. This is pretty much like a perfect square, you guys. Look at that. That is awesome. I really like how that turned out. Like I said, with these templates, you can enlarge them in your program and make these boxes bigger, make them smaller. These are very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the last two boxes. Alright, you guys, so with the last box, it's almost like this one, but I guess if you wanted to open up differently, then you would take this template. But this one, I guess, is so that the lid can slide on and off like that. So that is that box. This one just opens this way, almost similar to that one. There is this one. And then don't forget my favorite one. I love this one. And then that is template number 4. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. My Patreon link will be in the description box. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.